Today, the web is a definitive world north of a mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, in the event that the information source isn't certifiable or the information isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to a disaster. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly esports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the coming of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be bridled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony. Chiliz, the draftsman of the realm, Alexander Dreyfus holds the cudgel of being the torchbearer of the groundwork of the Chiliz organization and planting the seeds way back in 2016 for the Socios stage. Having led striking situations in different combinations, he has surprisingly as the pioneer individual from WebCity, a city local escort stage across Europe. His name is famous among the poker local area, particularly the very first French on the web. Emma Diskin has loaned her keenness to the organization of Chiliz as head working official starting around 2018 and plays had an urgent impact in corporate correspondences. She holds tremendous involvement with the media business, thus the diversion organization of Chiliz monstrously profited from her bits of knowledge. As an open-source public cryptographic money, Chiliz is a computerized guide made with the essential goal of blockchain established information capacity and recovery, with an extraordinary spotlight on esports and gaming sections. CHC Token Organization has uncommonly made its digital money CHC for dealers and financial backers and establishments, permitting them to exchange on various trades and advantage from the cost accelerations. Chiliz adapts client data, and the exceptional quality of Chiliz is that it is completely decontrolled without any guidelines in the scenery. Chiliz, the specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In no less than 30 minutes of send-off, it surfaced on the trade with fresh insight about achieving the degree of $0.0150, contrasted with its opponents like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $0.009 for a solitary Chiliz. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz CHC cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chiliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a minor recuperation. In any case, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of $0.0340 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHC United States dollar on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz has reflected huge development, denoting another untouched high at the 89 cents mark. In any case, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight remedy, however later, it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHC cost denoted a gigantic convention and contacted $0.758 in April, yet later, it rectified to the 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHC cost again raised a ruckus around town mark, yet later, it confronted a sharp downfall and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it denoted a huge recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In any case, subsequent to hitting $0.5, according to negative signs, Chiliz has denoted a consistent negative pattern, and presently, it exchanges around 14 cents. Content for the CHC conjecture referenced on the site content depends on our expectation of the base cost, obstruction level, most extreme cost, and different pointers. We demand you do your own exploration proposing projected greatest cost, guessed value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz's estimate. Specialists say on Chiliz, CHC, coin cost forecast uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 21 cents on December 2023. The hopeful figure predicts a huge ascent with a future cost of 31 cents in 2024 and further going up to 91 cents in the following 5 years. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2023. According to our Chiliz cost expectation specialists, it claims 2023 will be an impeccable year for Chiliz, CHZ, considering all elements, and the resource could reach as high as 86 cents. by long-term time. As per Chiliz cost forecast specialists, toward the finish of 2025, the cost of Chiliz could exchange around the most extreme cost of 52 cents. Market Chiliz forecasts predict the base cost to be as low 42 cents in 2025. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in light of wallet financial backer examination and Chiliz conjecture. The CHZ cost expectation for 2024 is $0.0285. CHZ can be a terrible, high-risk one-year venture choice, as your ongoing speculation might be depreciated from here on out. The worth of opposition levels R1, R2, and R3 are $0.1750, $0.1984, and $0.2217 individually. At the hour of compassing this specialized investigation and Chiliz figure, the cost of Chiliz was 14 cents, with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $211,421,290. And the market cap of Chiliz was $975,279,844, with a circling supply of 6,661,685,577 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is $0.8915. CHZ value expectation recommends that CHZ could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, likely in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chiliz, CHZ, has not soared on the trade ascending to brilliance, one conspicuous truth that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz, CHZ, is digging in for the long-haul increment and fill in the market in full blossom according to beneath Chiliz cost expectations. Chiliz value expectation 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the CHZ with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of 35 cents as the projected greatest cost, on the off chance that the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023. The cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost gauge, with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 13 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on momentary specialized examination done by advertised specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unstable, with the high gamble included. Chiliz value expectation 2024. Many hypotheses are going ahead for CHZ coin cost expectation, particularly taking into account the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate plans on. There are presumptions in view of market cost forecasts that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 35 cents. CHZ figure predicts the greatest cost and least cost to be $0.4 and $0.3 individually. Before you buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to improve your methodology choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz, CHZ cost, obstruction level, and so on, to limit the dangers implied in this unpredictable market. Chiliz value expectation 2025.